Today, a South Korean leaker provided some images of the dummy units of the new phones. Yesterday, images of the iPhone 15 series front glass panel and screen protectors surfaced. A comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro is also provided. The dynamic island of pill-shaped and circular cuts will be a normal feature throughout the whole range, no longer reserved for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, as yesterday's leak and speculation suggested. It's difficult to see from these images, but the Pro's bezels are somewhat curled around the edges in addition to having tiny bezels. It is simpler to understand, however, that there will be 5 significant changes between the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro. In comparison to the iPhone 14 Pro, the iPhone 15 Pro's edges are rounded. As opposed to a steel frame, the iPhone 15 Pro's body is made of titanium, giving it a matte appearance as opposed to a glossy one. The new Pro model will feature a programmable button rather than a mute switch, and the iPhone 15 Pro's cameras won't stick out quite as much, perhaps because the phone will be a touch thicker. The aesthetic changes are obviously extremely slight, and a typical user probably won't even realize that the new phones feature a USB-C connector rather than a Lightning port. The only way to get a decent deal on a new car is to buy a used one. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple's highest-end model, is also believed to have a new periscope camera, which may help it become the best camera phone of the year. This year, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus will likely also get the 48MP camera, but they won't be powered by Apple's newest Bionic technology. New A17 chip, based on 3mm architecture, is not only powerful but also more energy efficient, according to other specifications. Upgrades to the RAM and basic model may also be forthcoming, and new stack battery technology, which will extend battery life by up to 18% in the iPhone 15 and 12% in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, according to a report that surfaced yesterday, is also on the way. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.